Hello, this is Braden.
And this is Tim.
We're here with a new feature about Holiday at the Arboretum 2019.
Because the flowers are dead and the leaves are on the ground, the Dallas Arboretum might not be on your radar as a holiday activity.
Or maybe you've heard about Holiday at the Arboretum, but you've never actually been.
If this is the year you decide to go, you won't want to skip this video because we've pulled together a list of tips and tricks to make your night at the Arboretum headache-free.
This marks the 6th year of lights and festivities at the Dallas Arboretum, and every year they've improved upon the one before it.
There's a 30-foot tall Christmas tree, themed Victorian gazebos, and over 1 million sparkling lights. But before you can enjoy any of that, you need to figure out where to park.
Parking is free, and you'll want to park as close as possible to Lot 1, which is off Garland Road and Whittier Avenue. We parked in the parking garage, and it was a long walk to where everything begins.
Clothing tip number 1. The entire attraction is outdoors, so make sure you check the weather and dress appropriately. While there's area heaters set up throughout the Arboretum, you're still going to want to make sure you're doing your part.
The main attraction of Holiday at the Arboretum is the 12 Days of Christmas gazebos. You can visit the gazebos during the day, however, but they are best at night. This collection of Victorian-style gazebos are 25 feet tall, and each whimsically themed around the gifts of the classic holiday carol, The 12 Days of Christmas. They are spread throughout the Arboretum in a loop, and both kids and adults alike will love the music, the lights, and displays as they walk the path of the 12 Days of Christmas.
Here's clothing tip number 2. The 12 Days of Christmas path is a 3/4 mile walk, so wear comfortable shoes. If someone in your group doesn't think they can make it, there are self-pushed wheelchairs at the entrance, but they're available on a first-come, first-served basis.
There are tents set up throughout the park where you can purchase bites to eat and drink. We had the mulled wine, and it was great. If you're the kind to pack a picnic, you should also know that the Arboretum allows food and is BYOB. So, if the weather is nice, bring a blanket and plan for a picnic.
New this year is the Christmas Village. It's inspired by the European Christmas markets. The Christmas Village is comprised of charming shops and facades that represent a quaint European hamlet. The houses are large enough to go inside, and each are themed around a profession.
During the day, children can learn and explore these houses at their own pace. At night, the Christmas Village is lit by a holiday glow of lights. Volunteers are dressed as shopkeepers, and they pass out samples of their wares. The Arboretum has even put together an activity sheet for families, which will take you throughout the Christmas Village.
And if you want to take a family photo, or maybe just a selfie on your date, there are staged areas set up for that purpose.
The 12 Days of Christmas at night is happening every Wednesday through Sunday from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. into the end of the month. You can purchase tickets online at the Dallas Arboretum website, which is linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to know about other great places and events in DFW, subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. You can also find extra content on our social media channels, so check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description below.
Check out these other holiday videos that we made, as well as other things that are going on in Dallas-Fort Worth.
Once again, I'm Tim.
And I'm Braden, and we are the DFW Insight.